Today's featured car of the day is a 1968 Jaguar E-Type Coupe. And this one I filmed at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California, where it bid to $52,000 but did not sell. And I would read the seller's statement, but unfortunately there wasn't one. And that might be part of the reason why it didn't sell. It seemed to be a real nice vehicle. It has a board there showing pictures of the restoration. And it had a good look, was good color for it. Seemed to be a nice car, but just didn't make it. But anyway, that's today's featured car of the day, a 1968 Jaguar XKE Coupe that bid to $52,000 but did not sell at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel, Car Finder, with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.